Hello, fellow explorers of the cosmos. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how space, the vast and infinite expanse that surrounds us, came to be? Join me on a journey as we unravel the secrets of the universe and explore the fascinating question, how is space created? The answer lies in one of the most profound events in the history of the universe, the Big Bang. Approximately 13.8 billion years ago, all the matter and energy in the universe was concentrated in a singular point of infinite density. And then, in an instant, it all exploded outwards, giving birth to space and time as we know it. As the universe expanded, matter began to clump together under the force of gravity, forming stars, galaxies, and other celestial bodies. These structures created the framework of space, shaping the vast emptiness that stretches out before us. Through the lens of a telescope, we can see the remnants of the Big Bang, cosmic microwave background radiation, the echo of the explosive birth of the universe. These subtle signals provide crucial insight into the origins of space and the forces that govern the cosmos. But space is not just empty nothingness, it is a dynamic fabric that can bend and warp under the influence of massive objects. This bending of space-time is what we experience as gravity, the force that holds planets in orbit around stars and shapes the motion of galaxies across the cosmos. At the extreme edges of space, we encounter the most mysterious and enigmatic structures in the universe: black holes. These cosmic entities possess such intense gravitational pull that not even light can escape their grasp, creating a region of space-time so warped that it defies our traditional understanding of physics. So as we gaze out into the vast expanse of space above us, let us marvel at the intricate tapestry of the universe and the profound questions it raises about our place in the cosmos. How is space created? It is a question that challenges us to think beyond the limits of our everyday experiences and to embrace the boundless possibilities that lie beyond. Thank you for joining me on this cosmic journey. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.